Hi, this video is the last of the Asking Questions series. We'll be covering the 3 remaining interrogative pronouns. Just like the previous lesson, we'll take 3 examples for each one of them, corresponding to the 3 ways of asking open questions.
Comment?
Comment tu t'appelles? Comment t'appelles-tu? Comment est-ce que tu t'appelles?
Combien?
Ils sont combien? Combien ils sont? Combien sont-ils? Combien est-ce qu'ils sont?
Quel?
Okay, quel is used to ask about a choice between different things, as which or what in English. The spelling depends on the word it refers to. Tu prends quelle pizza? Quelle pizza prends-tu? Quelle pizza est-ce que tu prends? Alright, that's it. I'm pretty sure you can start practicing now to ask questions in French. You can use the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. À bientôt.